Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all a new bag that I got. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you're looking for a cute everyday bag, this might be the one. This is the Crescent moon bag from the TikTok shop. It is a shoulder bag. I got it in the color khaki. The inside is really spacious. It has two little pockets on the inside plus a back pocket. It also has two side pockets where you can put a small water bottle or whatever you need quick access to. I needed a new purse, so this was perfect. Literally checks all of the boxes for me. Definitely my new go-to. So that is it for this video. If you are interested, I will have a link down below. Click on the link to go and get yours. Bye.